Hi, I'm Tanisha and you're watching this video with just Tutors.com. Today we are going to learn about mode of data, and in this video we are going to learn about mode of grouped data, and then we'll try some sample problems on it. So before we move on to the topic, let us try some warm-up questions first, and if you want to try the questions by yourself, you can pause the video and match your answers later. So question number 1 says to find the mean of the given set of data. We know the formula already, that is x bar is equal to sigma xi fi divided by sigma fi. So if we try to find out the sigma xi fi for this data, that's going to be 384, and we need to divide that by sigma fi, which is 50. Hence the answer for this question is going to be 7.68. Likewise, we can try question number 2 that talks about writing the formulas of two methods, that are step deviation and assumed mean, for finding the means. So let's start with first one, which is step deviation. We know that x bar is equal to a plus h multiplying by sigma fi ui divided by sigma fi, and where h is equal to class size. Likewise, we can try the B part, which was assumed mean method. So we know that it is equal to x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi di divided by sigma fi, where di is equal to xi minus assumed mean. So these are the answers for the questions. Pat your back if you've got all the answers absolutely correct. Now let's move on to the topic. So here we are learning about mode of grouped data, and we'll try to understand it with the help of an example. The question says find the mode of the following table. So you can see that the data has been grouped here in the class intervals of 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15 and 15 to 20 with their respective frequencies. However, in a grouped frequency distribution, it is not possible to determine the mode by looking at the frequencies alone. Here we can only locate a class with the maximum frequency called the model class. So we need to look at the table again, and the highest frequency here is 8. So we can work that out. The model class is 10 to 15 with frequency 8. Now, to calculate the mode, we have a formula which says L plus Fm minus Fm minus 1 divided by the same thing, Fm minus 1 and Fm minus Fm plus 1. And we'll be multiplying that by W. So let us learn about these initials that we've used here. L stands for the lower limit of the model class, Fm stands for the frequency of the model class, Fm minus 1 and Fm plus 1 stands for the frequency of the group before and after the model class respectively, and W is the group of the width. So now let's move a step further, and with the help of this table that we have defined, we'll be finding the values of each initial. So if the model class was 10 to 15, we can work out that the lower limit was 10, and if the frequency of the model class was 8, so we can work out that Fm is equal to 8. Now Fm minus 1 was the frequency of the group just before the model class, which was 5 to 10 with frequency 7, hence Fm minus 1 becomes 7. And likewise, Fm plus 1 was the frequency of the group which was right after the model class, which is 3. Hence, Fm plus 1 is equal to 3. And we can see that the class width is 5 here, 0 to 5, 5 to 10. Hence, we've got all the values. Now we just need to put all the values in the formula. That's gonna be this. So L is 10 and Fm is 8, Fm minus 1 7, Fm plus 1 is 3, and we can work that out, and the answer for this question is going to be 10.83 approximately. Now we've got some practice questions for you. You can pause the video and try all the questions by yourself, but do not forget to match your answers right here. Thank you for watching the video. For more, please log on to justtutors.com.